Hi everyone, my name is Alicia and I am currently a EIP teacher, and I was previously a second grade teacher teaching all subjects. I look forward to this endorsement so that I can apply it to our science club and also to my math and other subjects that I may get to assist with throughout this year. This is definitely a challenging endorsement for me, but it is one that I will, I think, greatly appreciate and be able to use with our kiddos at school. So we are trying to get our school to start a implementing STEM school-wide. So that is something that we're working on. We are not quite there yet. As you see on these photos, this is my two boys. They are now ages 10 and 7. This was about a year or so ago, and we love Disney and we go as often as we are able to. I also have a wonderful husband of 12 years, and I just enjoy my job and what I do. I think it is very challenging and very rewarding, but it is definitely fulfilling, and I just look forward to learning more so that I can help my students. So it is very nice to meet you all, and I look forward to working with you and learning from you, and good luck.